Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Microsoft sign-in with the error code 1200 something went wrong, kung paano ba natin ito i-fix. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to clear cache credential file. Kung paano ba natin yang gawin? So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. So dito sa search for apps, so kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na %local app data %. Ayan, so i-type mo lang yung command keyword na %local app data %, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And madirect tayo dito sa File Explorer. So ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito at i-locate natin dito yung Microsoft. Okay, so dito sa Microsoft, so double click lang tayo. And dito sa Microsoft, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung credentials. So dito ay kailangan mo lang mag-right select and right click. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then kailangan lang natin i-delete lahat ito. So i-control A. And then next ay click mo lang dito yung delete. Ayan. So once na-delete na natin yan, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is close lang natin yan. So dito lang sa ating Microsoft Edge browser, and dito lang sa upper right side, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung tatlong dot. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung settings. And dito sa left side menu, and then select mo lang dito yung privacy, search and services. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And under dito sa delete browsing data ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung clear browsing data now. And then dito sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung choose one to clear. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa delete browsing data ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung time range. Kung option mo ay last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, 4 weeks, or yung all the time. So select ka lang dyan. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-check tong box ng browsing history, download history, and then yung cookies and other site data. And then next ay click mo lang dito yung clear now. Ayan. So after dito, so close lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft sign-in error with the error code 1200 something went wrong. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.